used during the whole transfer. So first I make sure that you are wearing the supportive shoes and transfer belt. That is very good. First I make sure that the wheelchair position, wheelchair is in 45 degree. The brakes are on. I just remove the footrest and now I am removing the armrest. Okay. So now what I have to do, I am just putting this transfer board under your leg. Okay. Make sure I just sure that you are not compromising your skin, or I make sure that we are not like in any danger.
Okay.
Now during the whole transfer while I am transferring, you make sure your face is towards the wheelchair. Okay. And make sure you don't put your hand on the hole or the edge of the transfer board because it is very dangerous for you. So are you ready?
Yeah.
First make sure you have to put your hand both here. Okay. And just elevate a little bit, elevate your leg. So I'm putting the transfer board. Yes. Are you comfortable? Make sure your skin are not like in danger. Okay. First you have to scoot forward. Make sure your knees over your toes. Okay. Just move your leg in the forward. Okay. Make sure your legs are in the contact of the ground. That is very good.
Yeah.
Now your face is towards the wheelchair, and I maintain the height initially to the wheelchair, so we don't have to worry about height and all.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I have to do, I'm like you have to put one hand here, and when you come in the middle of the transfer, you have put one hand on the armrest and other on the bed. And like transferring, you just have to push the bag, which make our process very smooth. So are you ready?
Yeah.
So in the count of 3, we are just moving in the middle of the transfer board. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Now put your one hand here and other on the back, and in the on here, and in the same way, make sure your leg are in the correct position. It's a frame contact with the ground. Okay. Now, so in the count of 3, you are in the wheelchair. Okay. So 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So just elevate your legs. So I just remove the transfer for your comfort. Are you good?
Yeah.
Are you good? Okay. So I'm just removing the transfer belt. Okay. Okay. And I'm putting the seat protection belt for your comfortable and safety and protection. And now I'm putting the armrest. Okay. And I'm just putting the footrest. Okay. And we are going to the hospital for your and getting a fresh air from the environment. Yes. Sure. Your band and hip are in 90 degree. I just put seat protection band. Your back is straight. We are done. Hello Vipin. So now we are getting a good air from the environment, and it's time to do like good sleep.
Okay.
So you have to come to the bed for getting good sleep, which is very good for your brain. So are you ready for that?
Yeah.
So I'm transferring you from the wheelchair to bed without using the like any transfers like equipment, and like it's a low pivot transfer. So are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay. So first I make sure you are wearing supportive shoes and your transfer belt is on. That is very good.
Yeah.
And make sure the position of wheelchair is in a 45 degree. Brakes are on, and I just remove the both footrest and one armrest. Okay. So the position of wheelchair is very good. Now during the transfer, what you have to do, like put one hand on the armrest and other on the bag, and while transferring your face is towards the bag. Okay. Make sure you like don't hold my neck or shoulder area. If you want support, then you have to hold my arm.
Okay.
So okay.
Yeah.
So now you have to do like just scoot to the edge of the bag. Yes. Lean forward. Make sure your knees over your toes and put your leg a little bit forward. Yes. So your leg is friendly contact with the ground. That is very good. Put your one hand on the armrest and one hand on the bag. Okay. So I'm transferring you. Your face is towards the bag, and make sure while you don't have to come on the full standing position. Okay.
Okay.
Your position is like this, and I will assist you during the whole process.
Okay.
When you are like transferring, you just have to push this stable surface.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in the count of 3, and the height of like bed and wheelchair, I initially managed, so we don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Okay. So in the count of 3,
Okay.
you have to push this stable surface and move, and we are moving on the bed. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3. Yes. Okay. Okay. Make sure your like legs are relaxed. I just move a wheelchair from your little bit. Sorry, comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, you can go back a little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
I just remove the transfer belt. Okay. Sorry, comfortable?
Yeah.
Are you good?